Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For the past month, I think most viral videos on all social platforms were somehow related to Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. I wanted to depict them both because it was interesting that he actually called her a mermaid in their first movie scene in the Rum Diary, and finally claimed he got her this role in Aquaman. So I think it's a great example of how deceptive and mean close people could be to each other. As I mentioned before, I'm neither his nor her fan, and I'm not gonna argue who's right or wrong, and all the more take anyone's side, because this Me Too movement, and especially the domestic abuse, is actually a very arguable issue if you talk about people in Hollywood industry. As a sociologist, I try to look at the things from a distant perspective, and honestly, I'm a little suspect that this whole thing is actually far-fetched, and there are some parties who are interested in promotion of this case. Over time, I think the consequences that might be down the line will somehow impact our perception of serious social issues.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
In fact, being aware of how media and press can manipulate public opinion and neglect the topics in the sense that are more vital and touch on more serious subjects, it actively promotes the actor claiming about his wife's nasty surprise. Since the whole trial became more like a reality show, where on the table of each trial day there were more and more intimate stories backed by personal videos and audio recordings. This whole situation looks as if it was all planned beforehand. Joe Rogan, a popular American podcaster talking about Hollywood, emphasized that by the time it shaped the entire mindset of that part of the country, doing things that you think other people would like. I think today this mindset is a very well spread all over the world. He actually marked, quote, "They," he means celebrities, "are willing to not have any opinion on anything else other than feeding their narcissism and their career." At the beginning of the trial, he called them both insane. But soon after, he changed his tone, simply trying to justify and support more Johnny Depp by naming Amber a crazy lady. On the other hand, she actually questioned the credibility of the Me Too movement and women who traditionally were seen as the only victim in any domestic conflict. Since February, the main topic was the Ukrainian war and Russian invasion, and the big articles about genocide and military actions were quickly changed to the gender narrative, artificially induced by the male vs female abuse dispute. It's a great example of how cleverly the media made this showdown into a gender war, so that it could involve everyone. So I wouldn't treat it seriously towards any celebrity dispute, since they are always been a red herring in the hands of those who own their career and media in general. I'm not surprised that Amber Heard is planning to appeal and start the new season of their quasi-court show, or any other broken celebrity searching for ways to restore his career or financial state could follow this example by using any fanciful, far-fetched reason. But in the worst case, it could give a rise to a tendency aimed to undermine trust in the couple's relations and the family institution in general. Anyways, for me personally, Johnny Depp will always stay a Captain Jack Sparrow, and Amber Heard a red-haired mermaid, and of course Johnny Depp's ex-wife.